Hello everybody, this is unboxing of Zhiyun Weebill Lab. Let's get through the box as usual. One-year warranty card. The actual box of the gimbal. Nice box, I have to say. Let's open this up. Nice case for the gimbal. Quick start guide. This is very nicely protected and I can see myself not worrying about this case being handled roughly. There is 2 latches on each side to lock this case closed. Yes, the gimbal. Nicely packed and very organized. I'm going to pause here for a moment so I know how to put this back after I'm done unboxing. Okay, so the gimbal itself, much lighter than I expected. Pouch that contains micro USB to USB Type-C converter and some screws, camera cable, USB Type-C cable, micro USB cable. Next up is tripod mount. Double quick release plate for Manfrotto and Arca Swiss. Charger and battery. The stand for the gimbal so you can use it kind of like a tripod as well. Let's put the battery in and turn it on. Let's also put the handle as well. Lock it. There you have it. Zhiyun have included a ton of features with this gimbal, which makes it a very versatile product. The gimbal itself performs very well, and as a standalone gimbal, you can get really nice results. I like the weight and how it handles. Plus the latches are really nice touch. It is so much easier to balance the camera and to store it when it's not in use. There are many optional accessories such as follow focus, which I didn't get, but it'll definitely make your life easier, so check it out. Zhiyun made really good gimbal that offers a lot of value for money. It is very compact and easy to travel with. I will upload a video on features this gimbal offers, so please subscribe to the channel. It means a lot. Thanks for watching.